Before we start this, I would like to explain this greatest integer function business here. Greatest integer function doesn't do a thing if the number is an integer. That is, if it's 2, then it's 2. Suppose you had negative 1 and you want the greatest integer less than negative 1, then it's negative 1. So basically, you may say, it just, what's the point? It doesn't do a thing. So if I got negative 2, then it would be negative 2. It gets interesting when the things are not integers, they are decimals. For example, if this was 2.5, we are looking for the greatest integer that is less than this. So the answer is 2. So 2 point anything would be 2 until it reaches 3. If it finally reaches 3, yes, I meant to write, then it would be 3. But until it reaches 2.999999, I mean, as long as it's in 2 point something, the answer is just 2. Very good. Now, that's where the confusion comes here. Many students see this and, oh, no problem. I will just delete the decimal part and tell the integer part. That's how it seems to work. For example, if it's 3.4, yes, the answer is 3 if you find the greatest integer function that is less than 3. 3.4. Makes sense. Now, you get into the habit of just dropping the decimal point and then you fall into this trap. What is the greatest integer that is less than 2.4? The answer is, it's not negative 2, it's negative 3. Why? Well, let's think of it this way. Whenever you do 2 point something here, do not think that you are dropping the decimal part. Whenever I have 2 point something here, think that you're going to the left side until you meet the integer. If you're sitting on the integer already, then there's no reason to go anywhere. You're already an integer. But if you fell somewhere here, then you got to go to the left until you hit the integer. So when you had 2.4 here, you were here. Negative 2.4. You got to go to the left until you hit an integer. Then you have negative 3. So if you think this way, the way I'm explaining now, then you will not make a mistake. So whenever you see this greatest integer function business, do not think that you're ignoring the decimal part. Then you fall into the trap. Think that you're moving to the left on the number line until you bump into the integer.